Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to deposit money into your Charles Schwab brokerage account in 2025. Whether you're a beginner investor or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you funded and ready to trade in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with this? Depositing money is the key to growing your investments, and Charles Schwab makes it easy and secure. Start by ensuring you have your login details handy. Head to the Charles Schwab website or open their mobile app. Once there, log into your account. This is your gateway to all the action. Next, after logging in, look for the Accounts or Funding section, usually found in the main menu. Click on Deposit Funds or a similar option. You'll then see a variety of methods to choose from, like ACH transfer, wire transfer, or even depositing a check. For most folks, ACH is the go-to because it's free and typically takes just a few business days. Once you've selected your method, enter the amount you want to deposit. If it's your first time, you'll need to link your external bank account by providing your bank's routing number and account number. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Trust me, it's worth the extra second. After entering the details, review the summary of your deposit. Hit Confirm, and you'll get an on-screen confirmation. That's it. Your money should show up in your Schwab account soon, depending on the method you chose. A quick tip. Be aware of any daily or monthly deposit limits, and if you're wiring a large sum, confirm with Schwab first to dodge potential fees. There you have it. You're all set to start investing. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.